Guys, this is Couple Gaming back at NBA Live Mobile. Today they put back the Snowstorm packs in the store. Also the golden two-way pack right there. But I did not buy that golden two-way pack because it's not my favorite pack. Also the December 26th presents can now be used, and I have three of them right here. So first, let's open these pro packs and hope I can get at least one elite. So we get Thon Maker there. Third pack, we get Al Jefferson. We got Serge Ibaka. Bismack Biombo. We got Michael Conley. So last four pro packs, can we get an elite here? We got Chris Stapps, Greg Monroe, last two. Tobias Harris, and for the last one, we get Al Jefferson. So on with these presents. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, I think. Oh, oh, we got a six-man, but I need that sportsmanship one. So it's giving away award winners collectibles. So hey, not bad. So for the last one, hey, we got that sportsmanship one. So I can get, I don't know who I will get. So on with the Snowstorm pack opening. So can we pull an elite here? Mm-hmm. Second one, Bobby Portis. At least an elite present or maybe an elite player will do. Another Bobby Portis. Hey, we got that elite present that gives you legend collectibles. So let's open that. So here, first we open this one. So what's in these packs? Four. Another present. So let's open another one of these. Mm-hmm. So rookie MVP, most improved, finance MVP, nothing. So that's it, guys. This is Cowboy Gaming out. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.